Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down everyday essentials so you can buy smarter. Today, we're talking about the best Tumblers 16OZ tempered glassware set that's making waves online, the Anchor Hocking Manchester drinking glasses. This 4-piece set is built for durability, simplicity, and American-made quality. If you're tired of fragile glassware or plastic cups that stain and warp, this could be the upgrade your kitchen needs. Let's start with design. Each glass in the Anchor Hocking Manchester set holds 16 ounces and is crafted from thick, high-quality glass. These aren't your flimsy, light tumblers. They've got weight, presence, and a classic square-bottom design with subtle vertical fluting that gives them a timeless aesthetic. They're clear, clean, and look great whether you're serving water, juice, cocktails, or even mocktails at your next dinner party. They're made from tempered glass, which means added resistance to thermal shock and mechanical stress. They can handle hot dishwasher cycles and quick temperature changes better than your average glass. That's a big plus in a busy kitchen. Now let's talk usability. These tumblers are dishwasher safe, which is honestly essential if you're using them daily. No clouding, no fogging, and they don't hang onto water spots like cheaper glasses often do. The 16-ounce capacity is generous, enough for a tall iced coffee or a solid pour of your favorite cold brew. Thanks to their wide opening, they're easy to clean by hand too. And because of their sturdy base and balanced weight, they're not tipping over easily. They feel substantial in your hand, without being too heavy. You might find cheaper options out there, but very few combine the level of durability, clarity, and dishwasher friendliness this set offers. It's also worth mentioning that unlike plastic or metal drinkware, these glasses don't retain odors or stains. If you're looking for reliable, daily-use glasses that still look elegant on a dinner table, this is for you. They're also great for families, Airbnb hosts, or anyone upgrading from mismatched or disposable tumblers. And if you already own Anchor Hocking's 10.5-ounce rocks glasses, these make the perfect complement. To wrap it up, the Anchor Hocking Manchester 16OZ tumbler set delivers style, strength, and serious value. It's not flashy, it's not fragile, it's just a rock-solid glassware set that does its job exceptionally well. And that's what we love here on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the best everyday products, and let us know in the comments what glassware or kitchen essentials you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.